Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon. Joyoshare WhatsApp Transfer supports any data in WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business, without leaving any information that you care about. It can transfer, backup, restore and export WhatsApp messages, photos, documents, audio, and more. Key benefits of Joyoshare WhatsApp Transfer. No need to uninstall WhatsApp. Transfers between different phone numbers. Fast transfer speeds with minimal wait times. Supports both WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business data. Real-time data preview. Supports old WhatsApp backups. How to use Joyoshare WhatsApp Transfer to transfer data. Connect both the source and destination devices to the computer and click Trust this computer. To ensure faster and smoother data transfer, the destination device must be logged into WhatsApp accounts. And Find My must be turned off. Open Joyoshare WhatsApp Transfer. Check and confirm the device information on the screen. If the information doesn't match, manually adjust it using the drop-down menu. After confirming the information, click Transfer to start the data transfer. The transfer process will take some time, so please be patient. Ensure that the device remains unlocked during the transfer. You can adjust the auto lock settings to Never in the settings to avoid interruptions. After the data transfer, you can check your device to confirm that all data has been transferred. How to use Joyoshare WhatsApp Transfer to backup data for free. After connecting your device to the computer, open the program and click Backup. Verify the device information on the screen and click Start Backup. The program will begin the backup process. Ensure your device remains unlocked during the process. How to use Joyoshare WhatsApp Transfer to restore data. First, turn off Find My on the device and make sure you're logged into your WhatsApp account. Click Restore, and you'll see all available backups. Choose the backup you need. You can select the backup based on the backup time and version. If you're unsure which backup to choose, click View to preview your backups. After confirming, click Restore to Device. Click Start Restore, and the program will begin restoring your data. New product limited time offer. Join a time-limited offer to get Joyoshare WhatsApp transfer for $8.95 only. The activity ends on October 10, 2024. How to use Joyoshare WhatsApp transfer to export data. Open the program and go to the export section, where you will see all available backup files. Click View to preview chat logs and media files in the backup. Select the files you need and click Export to Computer to proceed. Click the Export button to start exporting the backup files to the computer. After a successful export, you can browse your chat logs or media files anytime. New product limited time offer. Join a time-limited offer to get Joyoshare WhatsApp transfer for $8.95 only. The activity ends on October 10, 2024.